And all new at 10 today marks the first day of the 2017 income tax filing season, and the IRS will be cracking down on fraudulent claims. CBS 4's Nora Salinas has more on what you need to know and what changes we're going to see that the IRS is making, Nora.
The IRS will be taking time to detect and prevent fraud on income tax forms, meaning many taxpayers can expect delays with their returns, but they are offering tips to make the process a lot smoother. This year, more than 153 million income tax returns are expected to be filed across the country.
This is a big year for taxpayers. It's a big year for them to be prepared.
General Manager at Liberty Tax in Harlingen, David Perez, says he expects up to 100 clients each day. But while some may be filing early, their refunds could be delayed.
This year, since with the PATH Act, there's a lot of delays that are going to be imposed on taxpayers. Millions of Americans will have their refunds held back longer than expected. We're looking to mid to late February of refunds being issued to taxpayers this year.
Although the IRS will begin releasing refunds starting on February 15th, many people will not receive them until the week of February 27th. The delay comes as the IRS focuses on cracking down on fraud.
The IRS is working very hard on the identity theft to prevent. So that's why they are taking these extra measures.
To decrease the high amount of identity theft cases, all taxpayers should have a copy of their previous tax returns. Anyone filing their taxes must provide their adjusted gross income amount from last year.
That way we can identify that it's you, because that amount is already in our system. So it is important that taxpayers are aware of this change.
Irma Treviño says the IRS expects 80% of tax returns to be filed electronically.
They can go on irs.gov/free file and choose any software company that is available there and do their own taxes.
But local tax preparers encourage you to hire a professional.
Even if you file today online, it's not going to be here any sooner. So you might as well just come to an expert like us and let us make sure that we do it the correct way, make sure you're not missing any forms, make sure you maximize the tax credits you're eligible to receive.
And people have until April the 18th to file their taxes. Taxpayers requesting an extension will have until October the 16th of this year. In the studio, Nora Salinas, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.